免费咨询专线02-2518-0611。
02-2518-0611。
Stocks, shares, mergers, acquisitions. It's ICRT's Business Watch.
Good evening, I'm Tim Berge. Taiwan's stock market dropped as investors waited for the Federal Reserve's latest assessment of the U.S. economy. The benchmark TAIEX dropped 55 points and the session at 8,107 points. The turnover was 80.4 billion NT. Taiwan's gross domestic product, or GDP, posted a 2.3% annual growth in the second quarter of this year, beating an earlier estimate of 1.98%. The government says the better-than-expected Q2 GDP growth reflected higher-than-anticipated exports and a mild recovery in private consumption. In the first quarter, Taiwan's economy grew 1.67%.